Hello everybody, welcome to the Cpsn groups of school. I am Mrs. Nikhat Makandar from Signet Public School, New Nari. Today in this video we are going to learn a chapter of mathematics from class 3rd, chapter number 10, time. We will learn something about the time, quarter past and quarter to. So let's start. Look at these pictures. These pictures are showing different time of the day. This is morning time. It is afternoon time. Another one is the evening time. This representing the different time of the day. So we do different work according to the time. We wake up in the morning, we take lunch in the afternoon, and we do our studies at the night. Time is an activity which we do on accordingly. So, do you know, students? Time is the measure of activity which we do. Do you know, students? Time is not same everywhere in the world. When it is a time for you to wake up, it may be time to go to the bed for a kids somewhere in the other part of the world. When there is a day time in the one country, it may be a night at the somewhere else part of the world. So let us learn about the time. A clock is used to measure the time or to watch the time. Clock, it is having a number from 1 to 12. The number 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 12 represent the hours. There is a further division in between the two each number. 5 small lines indicate the minutes. There are 3 hands on the clock. Shorter hand, the shorter hand represents hours, longer hand tell us about minutes, and the very thin hand tell us about the seconds. All 3 hands of the clocks are rotate in the same direction, that is from left to the right. It is called as the clockwise direction. So now let us learn few points which you need to remember whenever you are learning about the time. A day is having a 24 hour. So there are few points to remember. 1 day is equal to 24 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. These points you need to remember. It will be helpful to read the times. Now let us proceed further to learn about quarter past. Students, when we divide the clock into 4 equal half, each of this part is called as the quarter. Quarter, it is duration of 15 minutes. So let us see with example. Look at this clock. When the minute hand it has the number 3 and hour hand is at the number 5. So minute hand has covered the 1/4 distance. So it is read as quarter past 5, or even it is read as 15 minutes past 5. It can be written as 5:15. Let us learn something more with a few more examples. Look at this clock. Look at this clock. The minute hand it is at the number 3 and hour hand it is at the number 10. So time indicating in this here it is quarter past 10, or it is also read as 15 minutes past 10. It can be written as 10:15. Another one, here the minute hand, it has the number 3, and hour hand is just little before after 2. So the time is quarter past 2, or it can be read as 15 minutes past to the 12. And the way of writing is 2:15. So this is about quarter past. Now let us learn how to read the time in quarter 2. When the minute hand of the clock is reached at the number 9, it has covered the 3 part of quarters. First quarter, second quarter and third quarter. And it has just left 1 quarter to reach to the next hour. So it is called as quarter 2. Let us see with example. When the minute hand is at the number 9 and hour hand is just before the number 6, so we read that time. So we read that time as quarter to 6. Just 15 minutes left to 6 o'clock, or it is also read as 5:45. See with another example. In this clock, the minute hand is at the number 9 and the hour hand is just before the number 10. So it will be read as 45 minutes past to 9 or quarter to 10. It can be written as 9:45. Same with next example. In this clock, now minute hand is at the number 9 and hour hand is before the number 3. So it's 45 minutes past to 2 o'clock. So it can be written as 45 minutes past to 2, or it can be read as quarter to 3, because just 15 minutes are remaining to 3 o'clock. So it will be written as quarter to 3. 2:45 is the way of writing this time. So students, I hope you have understood about the time and how to read the time in the quarter past and the quarter 2. Thank you very much.